everybody. How are you today? I hope you're doing well. Today, we're going to talk about farm animals. Okay, farm animals. So, right now, if you know, so right here we have some animals here. Okay, so like for example, this one is a chicken, right? Okay, now how about this one? Do you know? Okay, how about this one? This one here, what is it? Okay, how about here? And here? Okay, how about this one? What is it? All right, well, let's get into it. So, okay, the first one here, it says pig. Pig. Okay, remember P is P, I is I, and G is G. So we have P, ig, pig. Okay, here, this one is cow. Cow. K, ow, cow. Okay, this one is bull. Bull. B, ul, bull. Good. Here we've got a duck. D, uck, duck. Okay, this one you should know, chicken. Chicken. So remember here, CH is ch, right? Ch. I is I. K. In. So we have chick in. Chicken. Okay? Good. Next one is sheep. Sheep. So here we have sh, right? SH is sh, like sh. E, p, right? P, p. So it's sh, eep, sheep. Sheep. Okay, good. Let's go on to the next one. Goat. Goat. G, oat, goat. Goat. Okay, this one is horse. Horse. Donkey. Donkey. Two sounds. Donkey. Okay. This one is mouse. Mouse. Ouse. Mouse. Mouse. Okay. This one is chick. Chick. So, all right, remember CH is ch. Here is I. And here is k. So we've got ch, ick, chick. All right, now let's go back and review all the ones that we've learned. Okay, ready? So now it's your time. Your turn. Ready? Go. This one. Good. Pig. Okay, this one. Cow. Okay, this one. Good. Bull. Bull. Okay, this one. Good. Duck. Okay, this one. Chicken. Okay. Good. Sheep. Sheep. Okay, this one. Goat. This one. Good. Horse. Okay. Donkey. Okay, this one. This one. This one. This one. Good, next one. Mouse. Mouse. Okay, this one. Chick. Chick. Okay? All right, good job, everybody.